please.
Donkam ban up yaka reservation policy philatip hagani ki banai shibun ba ki brio ki laya lom hashilong ki yakran reservation policy balengin up yaka reservation policy ngila banya khun daladihi long upastor WC Khongwir habakran hagijing pun kut buram mentaka singi kalai tarik jelliu arja arpasaw yaki samla pule kasinat higher secondary school ki balapas bha hage examen matric ne secondary school living certificate but class 12 nika higher secondary school living certificate President ke managing committee jongga school Reverend WC Khongwir ulaong baki samla pulie habalapas bha omdan kam ban up ya reservation policy kabatang 100% handai dei ban yang halaki jongki kijat laban kada baka sarkar kala thong ya expert committee ban pule banya ya reservation policy ne ka bha thong kam hapdeng ukhasi jaintia bat ugaro hakajala hadin baka seng voice of the people party kala penlong ya jingaki bandawapan kala ya ka hakajuka por upastor ula mensiam yaki khana pule bakim dei banting yaki examen common university entrance test namar kadon yaka kabu yaki samla khasi ki bakiu bha aka imlang salang kamtam hakikam ki bakham he kasinat higher secondary school mission compound kalapun kup buram yaki shispa sapu prangut ki khana pule ki balapas bha aka examen matric ne SSLC bar haka class 12 ne HSSLC junguni usnam arja arpusaw haka jingpun kup buram ke balapan long ha community hall mission compound ladan lang ke principal ke kong Sandra Tongper kinong hikai ki khana pule bat ki kemi ki kpa ka school kalpan ku buram ki arngut ki khana pule ki balapas bha ha ka SSLC ki bakan thup ya ka neini 100 nong tade ke balayo khandai pusaw point lai phulai percent bat ka ilahun shisha maulong ke balayo khandai phulai point 100% bat ya ki arngut ki balapas bha ha ka HSSLC ki bakan thup ya ka dapi shisha langsang ke balayo hanya pusan point 0.5% ha ka commerce Bat kabahun Mary Lawai kabalayo Prapho 0.1% haka arts.
For his guidance and blessings that have led me to achieve the 5th position in the MPOS SSLC examination 2024. So it is a testament to his grace and the unwavering support of my teachers and my parents. So I am acutely aware that success is not achieved in isolation. It is the result of a supportive community, a productive environment, and the result of a lot of sacrifices. So therefore, I accept this honor on behalf of all those who have contributed to my success, directly or indirectly. So to our esteemed principal and vice principal, thank you for your visionary leadership and your unwavering dedication to our school's success. We will forever be grateful for your tireless efforts. So I would also like to express my deepest appreciation to my teachers whose guidance, support and dedication have been instrumental to my success. So their unwavering commitment to excellence and their belief in my potential have truly put me forward, and I will again forever be grateful for their tireless efforts. I also take this opportunity to thank my family, specifically my father, my brothers, and my aunt who's here with us today. So their courage and support have always been my strength. And to my mom, though she's no longer with us, I want to express my gratitude to her. Her love, guidance, and strength continue to inspire me every day. So to my fellow classmates, thank you for your companionship, collaboration, and friendly competition, which have urged me to push my boundaries and reach new heights. As we proceed, let us also never forget the importance of gratitude. Gratitude for the opportunities we have been given. Gratitude for the support of our teachers, our friends, family, and for the gift of education itself. So being said this, the one thing that I can never be more proud of is the honor to have served as the assistant head girl of the school, a role that has taught me invaluable lessons in leadership, responsibilities, and have enriched my character. So it has been an honor to represent my peers and contribute to the betterment of our school community. So my dear friends, today as we prepare to leave our school, our beloved school, let us carry with us the spirit of companionship, the joy of learning, and the hope of a brighter future. As we prepare to leave the familiar halls of our school behind, let us carry with us the lessons that we have learned, the memories that we have cherished, and the friendships we have built. Each one of us has been shaped here, and it is these experiences that will lead us in the future.
On the performance of our candidates from Senate Higher Secondary School, as you have done the previous years, we thank the Lord that this year too, the Lord has been so gracefully and graciously bless us once again that we can gather this afternoon in this very important felicitation ceremony. So therefore, as all the members, they cannot be with us, I came here on their behalf to once again congratulate, especially for the teaching staff who have done so hard for your students, and to you, the passing out students, and to you, members of the parents also. I'm very glad I just meet one of the relatives of one of the students and we share a few words with you. So this is the way that Senate Higher Secondary School has been functioning throughout, and we hope that it will continue to be more so in the coming years. I have been with you for about 5-6 years, and therefore I really feel very proud to be the president of your school, and we really enjoy the manifold blessings with you, the teachers, the students as well, be sports, be the concerts, and also especially with the results of 2024. Therefore, once again, my big congratulations to you all, and therefore may the good Lord bless the school, our respected principal and the vice principal, as you continue to lead the school to further glory in many, many more years to come. Special mention has to be made also to you, the parents, because unless the family, the parents supports the student might not do well. So our congratulations and big thank you to you, the parents as well, for your children. You have guided and supported them so good throughout their school and especially during the exams. So this will be the last time for me and the members of the managing committee with you, the students. And first is that we don't expect anything good from anywhere. I'll come to that. You'll say, Pastor, what do you mean? Don't expect, especially you students. I never expect why I say to you like that. I don't need to wait for the reservation policy. I think all of you are aware, all these months, days, lots of people gathering, lots here in Ceylon, reservation policy. Why should we wait? We expect for that reservation, isn't it? Especially to you, the passing out students of Senate Higher Secondary. Why should we need to wait for that reservation? We can fight ourselves, isn't it? You have done so good in your exams. What else remains? Continue to fight. Don't expect for this reservation. I personally, I don't like much. Why should that 40% remain with us, maybe all the Khasi community? So don't believe in that. Neither also should we be so happy with the news that we are free from common university tests, CUT. Okay? Maybe because of the disturbance and the improper methods of conducting this exam. But I will encourage you, don't be scared and don't feel tired to write the CUET test, because in the long run, you will only be benefited from it. Not only here in Meghalaya, everywhere in the rest of the country, isn't it? Therefore, I encourage you, for those who have done your test, well and good. For others who have not taken CUET, better that you go for it, because that will carry you for your future endeavors ahead. So this is my wish and my prayer and my encouragement to you, the students, that you go on, fight and struggle hard. We know that we are not struggling alone. For all of you, I believe you are Christians. We know that the Lord is with us. Why should we be scared? Why should we be terrified or scared that all these things surround us? Go and continue your good works.